Hello and welcome to the School of Computing Winter Prize Giving Ceremony. I'm John Isaacs, the head of school, and I'm delighted you could join us today for this very special and very different version of our school prize giving. Those of you that have been to our prize giving before will know that this year we were going to compete with the Oscars for the most lavish awards ceremony, but sadly we have had to lower our production values a little bit. Joking aside, the ceremony is a very important part of the academic year, allowing us to recognise the hard work you've put in over the last academic session. It's been a strange year, and certainly not what you were expecting when you joined us. You're all fantastic, and should be incredibly proud of yourselves for what you have achieved and all the hard work you have put in. For myself, on behalf of our school staff, I want to wish you all my warmest congratulations. We would have loved to meet with you all in person to present this year's awards, but this just hasn't been possible. Instead, to take you through the awards, I've asked your course leaders to help me out.
Hello computing graduates, it gives me great pleasure to be able to congratulate you on the fantastic achievement which is completing your course. When you joined RGU to study well over a year ago, you would have probably predicted the big academic effort that your course would demand of you, the financial sacrifices that you would need to make in order to complete your course, and also the fabulous opportunities that you would be exposed to both academically, but also opportunities to meet people from other cultures, to share experiences and to make friends for life. But 2020 has demanded a lot more from you. The pandemic meant that some of you rushed home while others were unable to return to their home countries and had to face lockdown away from their loved ones. Despite all the challenges, you have all successfully completed your course while demonstrating tremendous resilience and adaptability. Some of you have also shown extreme kindness to those less fortunate than you and have gone the extra mile to support the vulnerable. Congratulations to you all. Special congratulations to the prize winners who demonstrated either outstanding academic achievement or have contributed tremendously to the RGU computing community. It has been an absolute pleasure to be involved in your education, and I have no doubt that you will go on to do great things both professionally and in your personal life. Please keep in touch. Once again, congratulations and all the best in your future career.
Hello everyone, congratulations on your award. The MSc Data Science Class Prize is awarded to the student each year with the best overall performance across the course. Now this year's class was absolutely brilliant, and several students have received their MScs with a distinction, so the class prize winner's performance really had to be absolutely outstanding. This year that class prize winner for the MSc Data Science is Ludovico Lani. Ludovico's performance and his enthusiasm was absolutely impeccable in every single module, getting an A grade not just in every single module but every single component of every single module. So very well done, Ludovico.
Hi everyone, this video is for saying thank you to Robert Gordon University for awarding me the class prize for academic excellence in relation to my MSc Data Science for the year 2020. And yeah, I want to say thank you all because your commitment is great, has been great, and helped me succeeding in this experience. So this is a great achievement that I want to share with all my lecturers and my colleagues because it's even thanks to them that I've been able to achieve such great performances that resulted in this award. So thank you all again, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you, bye bye.
Hello, I'm delighted to present this year's class prize for MSc Cybersecurity to Chris Middleton. Chris has had an immense impact on the course when he came in and brought his not only cheerfulness but also vast experience in security, having worked in the public sector in an information security management role. So he's been able to share his experience in class, but also be generous with his time, talking to his classmates. So that was fantastic. I'm sure that everyone has enjoyed his company. But also because he performed exceptionally well throughout the course, not just in the taught modules, but also in his MSc project. Chris has now decided to take on the challenge of a PhD, so we are delighted to continue to have him, and we look forward of him achieving many more successes in the future. So well done, Chris, a well-deserved class prize.
Thank you for this award. I believe that excellence from students is testament to the supportive environment that we have at RGU, and I look forward to the years ahead. Thank you.
The class prize for MSc Information Technology with Cybersecurity goes to Lynn Buchan. Lynn has performed excellently in all the subjects across the board. Congratulations, Lynn, to your excellent performance.
I'd like to thank everyone who made this possible.
The class prize for MSc IT for the oil and gas industry goes to Augustina Ginikenwa. Congratulations, Augustina. You have done really well in your study, which really stands out from the rest of the class. You really deserve this prize.
Congratulations to everyone receiving class prizes. Our final two prizes are called the Head of School prizes, and these are awarded to students both for academic excellence and for their contribution to the school in other areas. For the Best MSc Project, Augustina Ginikenwa.
It is my humble honor and privilege to be accepting the MSc Class Prize for Academic Excellence in IT for the oil and gas industry, as well as the Head of School Prize for the Best MSc Project. I wish to say thank you to the Petroleum Technology Development Fund for making this entire venture possible. I also want to say thank you to the members of my family whose ardent prayers and support tided me over difficult situations. A massive thank you goes to all my lecturers in the School of Computing. Their teaching methods and delivery were so laudable and, most importantly, industry relevant. Thank you so much, and I appreciate these awards.
And finally, for student commitment and contribution, Linkakila Shalongo.
I'd like to thank RGU for honoring me with this award of a certificate for student commitment and contribution. This award came as a surprise to me, so I'll forever be grateful. My journey in RGU was rather a great experience, all thanks to NAMCOR and Petrofund. Hard work does indeed pay off. Thank you.
Again, massive congratulations to you all. We wish you all the best for the future. Our staff that have taught you over the year have some messages for you.
Congratulations to everybody who graduated this year. You've come through some really difficult times, so well done. I think you'll always be remembered as the class that graduated during lockdown. So well done, take care, and keep in contact.
Just wanted to say a massive congratulations to our graduating class of 2020. You guys have had a bit of a difficult year, particularly towards the end, but I'm super proud of what you've been able to accomplish. So well done, and best of luck for the rest of your lives.
Congratulations to everyone on your graduation. Best wishes for a successful and enjoyable career, whichever field you choose to work in. Well done.
Congratulations on your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure.
Congratulations to all our graduates this year, especially the ones who have studied the MSc Cybersecurity. I wish you well going forward, and please keep in touch.
Congratulations, class of 2020. You did it!
Congratulations for graduating in 2020. It was a tough year, but you made it. Well done.
Congratulations to the graduating class of 2020.
This is one of the most important achievements of your life. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best for a great future.
Congratulations on graduating, everyone. It's a really good achievement. Well done.
Congratulations to all of our 2020 RGU School of Computing graduates. You did it.
Congratulations.
Hey, congratulations.
You've all worked so hard and you truly deserve your degrees. I've seen some really nice things from you during university, and I honestly can't wait to see what you're going to achieve in the future. So, should you need us, keep in touch.
Congratulations to everyone who is graduating today. Well done, you've really earned it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and best of luck for the future.
Hi, this is Roger McDermott. I'd like to congratulate the graduating class of 2020 and wish you all well for the future.
Dear students, class of 2020, very, very big congratulations for such a great achievement. All the best in your life and endeavors. Thank you.
Congratulations, class of 2020. All the best for the future. Well done.
Hi, MSc students, congratulations on your graduation. I hope you all do fine in your future endeavors. All the best.
Congratulations to all the graduates of 2020. You all deserve a fantastic future. You've done extraordinarily well. Wish you all the best.
So congratulations on making it through. I know it hasn't been the most ideal, but best of luck in everything that you do in the future.
Congratulations for your great achievement. May an even better chapter of your life begin.
Congratulations and good luck for your future.